Hey, what's up, my gingerbread and jelly bean? Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Now, today I'm taking a twist to this. As you can see, I'm laughing already, and this is very funny. It's because last night, as I normally do on Facebook, I go on Facebook, I look at my news feed, I comment on videos, I watch funny videos, and I laugh. And sometimes I do make comments on these videos and stuff like that. So, last night, surprisingly, things took a turn for the worse when I watched this video. So watch this video right now. You see in that video, it is a school choir orchestra, and the music teacher did a rendition of Watch Me Whip and Nene. As you can see, the kids dancing and having fun. As you know, they normally do remix for these songs and stuff like that. I then went on in the comment, I commented on that video by saying, ha ha ha, white people low-key love us but afraid to show it. We see it every day, love our music, our food and vibe, ha ha ha. Well, I know not all of you are racist, but enjoy. No, I left that comment and I specifically stated not all white people are racist. We know this already. Not all white people are racist, not all black people are racist, but I was just stating the fact that white people love our culture, but they don't want to give us credit for things that we have done and things that we have created, and it has been like this for centuries and centuries. No, a lot of people discredit even this video by saying, oh, that's a lie, but it is the truth. We don't get credit for things that we have done. Even the President Obama, don't get credit because he's a black man, the color of his skin. I'm a black man. I don't get credit for things that I've done. No, the comment that I made, I came from work and started a debate with, at present moment, it's still trending, 537 likes on that one comment. That's even more than any of my videos even getting likes on YouTube. Think about that. So now people are actually debating right this second, people commenting saying that, oh, white people are not racist and black. It's literally, I've started a racism debate on Facebook unintentionally. I never expected that to happen, but it has, and it's very interesting. I'm trying to keep up because I've stopped getting notification now. I'm just on the page reading, still going down under the comments. It's 272 comments under my comments so far, and they're still going at it. White people, black people, racist people coming out, swinging their axes and stuff like that. Black people sending facts from Africa and that, where it's just crazy. And not only that, on YouTube last night, I got into two racist arguments where a guy on YouTube last night was calling me a nigger. Like, he was just going off and and I just went toe to toe with him, and then this next guy come in and say, oh, you're trying to talk to a racist person by being racist and all that. First of all, I'm not even racist. Like, I'm not even racist, because I even find this funny. I know white people, I'm around white people, I have white friends. I'm far from racist. I don't grow up with racism and all that. But it's just funny. I'm not a fool. I'm conscious of who I am, a black man, especially in America, where racism is real. And I have to be conscious of that and my surrounding. No, he went off and I went off and I called him all kind of names and he called me a nigger and all that. I just went on and people came in my defense, and then you have next racist people that come in and call me a nigger as well, and it's just really funny that these keyboard warriors have so much things to say, and if they were in front of you right now, they could even put up a fist and fight you. And even if they were bigger than me and whatever it is, I would fight to the death. I'll fight till I don't have any breath left. That's how serious I am. So a lot of keyboard warriors out there that go on Facebook and have these debates and call out people and call names and all. But it's just funny. Just wanted to share that. So my question is, have you ever been in a racist argument or clash? Have you ever had the opportunity to defend your culture, defend your race, whether it be white, black, Mexican, Asian? And this is predominantly, these kind of arguments are predominantly between whites and blacks where racism is concerned. As you know, racism has been around for centuries, and I've done a video about that already. Racism have been around for centuries, where slaves, racism, slavery, whites were slaves back 200 years ago before Christ, in Egypt, in Africa, because as you know, if you didn't know, back then, in those days, black people were rich, one of the richest man. Being a black man, we were kings and queens. We had riches and wealth and all type of stuff. All those movies that you see about Egypt and the Arabs, and they are black people. They just put a white image on them. They were black people if you really read it. That's where black people are from. Africa, Saudi Arabia, Hebrews are black, actually black people, black skin. God was a black man. But as you know, brainwashed society and blah 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 and all of that mess. But the point I'm trying to make is, or ask you, is that have you experienced racism? Have you ever been in a racist debate, whether it be white people come out and attack you and say that your parents were slave owners? Have you ever had to defend yourself and say that you're not racist because you're not? Are you a black person and experienced racism? Are you a Mexican and experienced racism? Just share that in the comments below and let me know how you feel about this topic, and let me know what you think about the whole comment that I made on my Facebook, on the Facebook video. Tell me if it was okay, if I was wrong to make that comment. Just tell me how you feel about it and share. Just share it, enjoy. Remember, JVLOGS, I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Keep up with me. Remember to subscribe. Oh, one note, one person unsubscribed to me after I made the transgender video. I don't know who you are, so if you have unsubscribed, come back into my comment and let me know so I can have a one-on-one with you. But anyway, I'm just joking, but yeah, people unsubscribe for stupidness. But anyway, thanks for watching JVLOGS, people. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Thanks a lot. I'm out, people. One love. Hey, no, no, no.